Do genetic markers for schizophrenia differ across different populations? Have you ever wondered how our genes might influence mental health conditions like schizophrenia? Today, we are going to look into whether genetic markers for schizophrenia differ across various populations. This is a fascinating area of research that helps us understand the complexity of this condition. Genetic markers associated with schizophrenia can indeed vary across different populations. These variations reflected differences in allele frequencies, genetic backgrounds, and even evolutionary histories. Schizophrenia is influenced by many common genetic variants, which typically have small effects, as well as some rare variants that can have stronger impacts. Large-scale genome-wide association studies have identified hundreds of genetic locations linked to schizophrenia risk. However, the specific variants and their frequencies can differ significantly between populations. For instance, while common variants have been found across diverse groups, their effect sizes are generally small and only explain a portion of the genetic risk. Interestingly, studies show that the overall genetic architecture of common variants does not differ much between males and females. However, differences can arise across ethnic groups due to population-specific allele frequencies and patterns of genetic linkage. Rare mutations that disrupt proteins in certain genes have also been linked to schizophrenia risk. These rare variants may exhibit more population-specific patterns. Some genetic regions associated with schizophrenia overlap with parts of the genome that have undergone changes throughout human evolution. This suggests that susceptibility factors may have developed differently in various populations as a result of our evolutionary journey. Research focusing on specific populations, such as Koreans, has revealed that certain candidate genes or genetic regions may not show significant associations. This could be due to differences in genetic backgrounds or limited sample sizes in those studies. This highlights the importance of conducting genetic research across diverse populations to capture the full range of schizophrenia risk variants. In summary, while many genetic markers for schizophrenia are shared across populations, their frequencies, effect sizes, and the presence of certain variants can differ. This reflects the genetic diversity found in different groups. Understanding these differences is essential for improving genetic risk prediction, developing targeted treatments, and clarifying the biological pathways involved in schizophrenia across various populations.